This is Honda Fit from 2017, and today we're gonna show you how to remove a rear torsion bar assembly. We're gonna remove the wheels, the drums, the brake shoes, the torsion bar, and all the rear suspension. Right, Michael?
Yeah.
Let's start the job. Show us what you can. Молоток, красавчик. To remove the wheel, you should remove these 4 nuts. Oh, now remove the brake. You should release the parking brake. Yeah, it should be released, and after you can remove it. If you will remove the drums, you should release the parking brake, because it keep it in tension, like this, and now you can remove it. Just все, я лез. And these are brake shoes, and now we should disconnect the cable that goes to the parking brake handle. You should take out 2 springs to remove the brake shoes. One is here, one is on the top. There. This is one spring, it goes on the bottom, and another one is on the top. It's a big one. Oh. Another one is out too. You should press this thing and release it, and the pin will go out. Now we can take it out, and one brake shoe is removed. And here is the cable. It goes right here. You should take it out. Просто он пинет внутрь. Ну, просто опеш. Ну, трясни куда вообще я трясся, слушай. And we're done, as you can see. The cable is out, now we can take it off. Now I should remove this cylinder. And remember that this table is right here. This is a wheel cylinder. Now we'll remove the next brake shoe. Oh, just a minute. Okay, pin. This goes to the right side. Yeah, it have a few pins. You should press them, and after you can take it out. Now we'll remove the parking brake cable. It looks like this. And to take it out, you should press. It have 3 pins right here. You should press them, and after you can remove it. Now we should remove the ABS sensor, but we are not gonna remove it from here because it have a connection. It goes right here. This is the ABS connection. We're gonna take out the cable. The cable is out. Now we have the brake hose. The brake hose is out. Let's go to our side to do the same. One second. Let's go. Ему на автомате. Он 5 секунд сейчас, наверное, просто. элементарный thing. Импер зачем пусто был, конечно. Есть. The drum is out. Now we're gonna remove the brake shoes. After the parking brake cable. After we'll disconnect the ABS sensor connector and the brake hose. When it's out. Another spring is out. Оп, ты 20-й, там что отвергнуть треба. One retainer spring. Покился. Давай. The next retainer spring. Now the brake shoes and the brake parking brake cable is free. The parking brake cable is out. Two more cables. One hose, one sensor connection. Again, this is the ABS sensor. The connection goes right there. Michael will take care of it. And the brake hose. It's out now. It will be leaking a little bit of braking fluid. Now we'll take out the clips. This is the clips. Дальше. Унись. Парче, Саша. It's close. Now we're gonna remove the bolts from the bushings. One here, one on another side. And after we will remove the bolts from shock absorbers and we will take out the torsion bar. One bolt is out, but we'll leave it. Let's go to another side. Another bolt is free. Now we're gonna release the bolts and to let it go down slowly. Парк оценила, ну? О. The springs are down. Есть ценечи на бушингах, есть раз. Ну на пасатар, кес счастье денуншки есть трансом в толком бушинг. This is how it looks like. Now we'll remove it completely and install on another car.
Давай ее остановка, что это счастье болтер убирала.
Да. That is the spring and this is Michael. Michael, train your biceps. And the torsion bar is out. Я вот буду сам. This is how the torsion bar on Honda Fit looks like. These are brake shoes. 222, and this is the torsion bar assembly. Нормально, есть просто 100 щит резина, я увидел лох. Ник страшный.